What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love and support, checking me out. And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, freestyle cooking. You can try these dope recipes. We get it in. Let's do it. Alright, so today, y'all, we doing a real easy meal. Had to bring y'all in to share this with y'all. Something real quick you can make during the weeknight that take no time at all. You feel me? So today we're gonna do some smoked turkey, gravy, and rice. That's what we doing, y'all. One of the simple comfort meals, you know what I mean? And the reason I decided to do this meal because I was on the grill. I had smoked some turkey wings, which I got here. I got some smoked turkey wings right here, and I smoked them on the grill. And I just steamed them up a little bit so that, I did them on the grill yesterday, but I'm basically using the leftovers, you know what I mean? So I steamed them up a little bit to get them a little bit more juicy, a little bit more soft, because we're going to pull the meat apart and create our own dish, our own turkey and gravy and rice dish. All right, we're going to have it look like the restaurant, y'all, just with the simple stuff that you got at the crib. You dig me? So, it's time to wrap y'all head off. Let's do it. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to prepare our rice. Okay, so today you can use any kind of rice you want. Today I'm using some yellow rice, packaged yellow rice. You can see the seasoning in there. So seasoned yellow rice that I got from the market. You can do your own rice. You can season your own rice. Whatever kind of rice you like is good for this recipe. Plain white rice, you're good to go. But I got the yellow rice because I wanted some seasoned rice. We're just going to cook it the package directions. Put about 4 cups of water in a pot. Okay, and basically we're going to bring this to boil. Stir that in. Cover it up for about 25 minutes. Alright, after you got your rice on the stove going, you want to go ahead and get a shallot, red bell pepper, about 3 cloves of garlic. Now this, for the amount of wings that I have, I'm not going to need this whole bell pepper. I'm going to need like maybe half of it. And we're going to chop this all up. Get that to the side, y'all. There we go. Got our red peppers, our garlic, and our shallots chopped up. Okay, next, I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes. Like I said, I put a little bit of turkey wings I have. I'm gonna cut up about a few of these and cut them in half. Right, cut them in half, like so. All right. All right. Now we're gonna take our turkey wings and start to pull the meat from the bone, like so. And even if you don't have no, you actually can buy smoked turkey wings at your butcher. Some markets do carry it, but if you don't have any smoked turkey wings or using some leftovers off the grill like I am, you could always go get some turkey wings, smoke them, you know, on your grill. Or, you know, you could just basically throw them in the oven, season them up, and still use those turkey wings for this recipe, okay? And like I said, some places sell smoked turkey already smoked, and you can just buy that, throw it in your oven, heat it up, and cut it up, chop it up, pull the meat off like we're doing now. Alright? So I'm just going to take the meat. I don't really want the skin. Maybe I'll keep a little bits and pieces of it, but I'm just really targeting the meat, y'all. Alright? There we go. Once we got the meat off the bone, I'm going to go ahead and start to break it down into smaller pieces, alright? Just like that, y'all. I mean, get them down to like just smaller pieces. You know, as even as you can get it. Even if you got some skin in there, it's all good. That'll just add extra flavor. Oh, these smell so good too. Trying to tell you, man, smoked turkey wings on the grill. Kind of trying to bring y'all that video. So right now, and we don't have to season this up at all because it's already seasoned, smoked to perfection. Alright, so you can't never, you know, so when you do a barbecue and you got those leftovers, here's an idea. Because you can also do this with chicken. So you can do a chicken gravy and rice. Alright, turn this the rest of the way up. Nice. Here we go. Now that we got the meat chopped up, ready to break out our pan. Get this thing moving, y'all. Let's do this. Got my pan out. Alright, want to start to heat it up. You want to put it on a medium high. Alright, put it on a medium high. Now, at the same time, you want to take another pot and about 2 cups of broth. If you got some beef broth, great. If you got some turkey broth, great. Whatever broth you got. I'm using some vegetable broth here. And I want to put this on low on the stove and heat it up while I'm doing my turkey. Alright. Okay. I added about 2 tablespoons of oil while my pan is heating up. Next, I added half of the garlic, the chopped garlic. I'm gonna save the other half. Alright, and we don't want to burn the garlic, okay? Just want to let this roll for about 30 seconds or so. Then I'm gonna add half my shallots. Get those flowing. And I start to see some of my garlic change a little bit of color. That's what you want. You start to smell the fragrance of the garlic. Go ahead and add my bell pepper and my tomatoes. Smelling great. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to let a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. That's really it. Maybe a little bit of pepper because, like I said, my turkey is already seasoned and we don't want to overpower this dish. That's right, y'all. Dish. We doing a restaurant-style dish with the leftovers and stuff we got at home. So next time you do a barbecue or next time you do some smoked meat, you can show off. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna let this go about another couple of minutes. Alright, after about 2 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my turkey. Oh yeah, get that incorporated. Oh yeah, y'all, smelling good, looking good. I might find yourself making this all the time, man. And like I said, you could, and this is like one of those recipes where I'm using the smoked turkey because that's what I grilled and I had the leftover turkey wings. But you can chop up chicken, chop up turkey, chop up any kind of protein in place of the turkey and do your thing. You also can add like green pepper, different peppers if you want. You can spice it up if you want to add some chili peppers. You know, do your thing. Told y'all, freestyle cooking, man. I always got to bring y'all what I'm doing. And here we go. Keep these recipes popping. Alright, this doesn't take long at all. Now, after about 2.5 more minutes, because my turkey's already cooked, we just needed to really heat it through. We got our tomatoes and our garlic and our shallots and peppers flowing. So we're going to move those, put those to the side. Now that I got it out of the pot, we're going to use the same pan and all the goodness in this pan. Added about 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to do our gravy, all right? So you want to turn your heat down to a medium. You want to melt the butter slow, okay? You don't want to burn it, so turn your heat down. Melt it slow, get out some flour. We're about to put this gravy together. And with all that goodness and the flavor still in the pan, oh, this is going to be popping, y'all. Alright, so now got me some flour, got my little flour cup, and I'm going to just add a little as I go because, like I said, for this little bit of turkey wings that I had, I'm just making enough gravy to go with this meal. So I'm going to just add a little at a time, get it mixed in. That's how we want to get it too. You want to get it nice and smooth and silky, like it's coming, if you can see. As you can see, it didn't take that much flour at all. For this little bit, I'm not making a whole lot of gravy. Add a little bit more. Alright, next, you get our broth that we was heating up. Pour that in. Yeah. Go ahead and stir that up, get everything incorporated. At this point, you would like to turn your heat up a little bit more, maybe to medium. Keep stirring. Break it down until it's smooth. We're going to try to bring it to a gentle boil. Just like that, y'all. Gravy from scratch. Another bonus. Freestyle cooking with streets, man. Whenever you need gravy, there you go, man. Some butter, some flour, some stock. Good to go. And at this time too is where you want to season it up. Like I said, my pan my turkey was nice and seasoned, the smoked turkey. I put the all-purpose season on the veggies, on the tomatoes, the pepper. So you want to kind of taste it as you go. If you need to add a little bit more right now, I think I'm cool because like my smoked seasoning is popping. So I know I got my pan lit. So I don't want to, you know, go hard on this. I mean, if I wanted to, you know, I like spicy. If I wanted to do it spicy or make it a little bit spicy, I'd add some cayenne pepper to it or something like that. But we good. But like I said, you can always taste it. If you need to add a little bit more, add a little bit more. All right, y'all, there we go. Gravy is done. It's right where I want it. You know, if you want it thicker, you can add a little bit more flour. If you want it thinner, you can add a little bit more broth or water. But this is perfect for me. Now we ready to plate this up. My rice is already done. It's just over there chilling and waiting. Got our turkey ready. Let's get this thing plated up, man. I know y'all want to see the plate up. See how we got this restaurant joint to the table. Boom. There we go, y'all. Look at that. Something real simple for dinner. but look like you straight at the restaurant. You dig? I made some French style cut string beans. You know, just had some frozen ones. Add a little bit of crumpled sauces to that. Boom. Got our turkey. Garnished it with some slaw. You know, it's just some shredded cabbage, broccoli, kale. You know, just whatever kind of slaw you like. You can garnish it whatever you want. Oh yeah, y'all, look at that. The gravy flowing on there. Now, when you talk about a rice and gravy, this is a rice and gravy. Turkey, smoked turkey, rice and gravy. Let's go. Alright? So, you know what it is. Please subscribe, man. Like, share, hit that notification bell. Stay up to date, comment. Let me know if y'all tried it, man. I'm trying to keep it coming to y'all. I'm trying to get y'all these straight up freestyle cooking recipes that you could do at your own crib. Just like this. And you already know what it is. Holla.